Okay, so today I'm going to be working on my Ford Ranger. It's a little rough, but I don't know. That's not too bad, I guess. I tried to do a little fiberglass work instead of a patch panel on the cab corner. Rocker panels look okay. The fender's easy enough to change. I tried to fiberglass this up, but you can see I made the wheel well arch too high. There's just too much missing, so I'm going to weld a patch panel into place. I know it's not an airbag thing, but at least it's a video and it is work somebody might be interested in. Okay, maybe it's not much to look at, but I have my panel, I don't know, I guess I could say tacked into place. I still got more welding to do, but um, I don't think I warped the metal or anything. It looks reasonably straight, and of course I'm gonna have to do some body work anyway, but that's where I'm at right now, I guess. Would be the best way to say it. And then maybe I'll even do the other side. The panel was only like $50, so not too bad. And another look at the truck. Best I can do. There's only so much room in the garage.